everybody, I'm Lorie from Dee's, back with another great, easy thing for you to make. Today, this is going to be an Easter truck. This could be an add-on to a wreath, or it can be used by itself. So, say for instance, if you have just a plain greenery wreath or a boxwood wreath, this would be adorable, just wired right onto that, and then you could change it for the season. Or if you have a grapevine wreath, again, this could just be added right onto that for the season. Now, don't forget, these are also great pieces to give to someone possibly in assisted living or a nursing home, and they would look amazing because they love the seasonal too. So this is going to be really easy. We have this really cute truck that you're going to receive in your kit. Comes just like this. You're going to get your little fern ivy pick, these adorable little multicolor styrofoam balls, and of course your ribbons and a little swatch of grass that can be used just to change it up in there instead of using a third ribbon. So to get started, all we're going to do is, I'm going to scoot this back a little bit out of our way. We're going to take our two stems, and just remember, you always want to fluff up your stems and bring them to life. This is a pretty piece because it has a nice assortment of greeneries. And we're going to remove this tag on here. Now I'm going to take my wire cutters and I'm just going to trim my stem. Now, with these floral paper tape stems, you always want to put a little glue down at the bottom just so that your stem doesn't come apart. So you could either dip it in the glue or just take your glue gun and put that around there because you don't want your stem to come apart. And next, we're going to take our pretty fun, whimsy little ornament ball stem here. I absolutely love the colors on this. And again, I'm just going to trim this stem off just a little bit. And this one's pretty good. You could dip it if you wanted to, but I don't think it's necessary to do on that one. So we're going to take this ball stem and lay it right on top of our pretty fern ivy stem here. And just kind of fluff that up in there and spread that around. And then next we're going to take our ribbons. So this is a pretty ribbon with the little blue aqua dot. Brings out the color of that truck. And again, you just want to pinch and gather, twist, make your loop, pinch and gather, and make your loop. Next, we're going to add this pink in. This is a little pink Swiss dot. It's a really cute, pretty ribbon. Again, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And I'm going to go ahead and wire this part of our bow off. Pull that nice and tight. And let's go ahead and make our cuts in the tails of our ribbon. Just fold those wired edges together and then cut that triangle right out. And then we're going to take this piece of grass. This is just a fun little snippet of grass. And we're going to add this right in here. Now you can wire this on, or we can take a little bit of glue and just lay that right in the middle here of our bow. Now you have these strands that are hanging down. And what I like to do with this grass is just go back and take it and put a little glue on the bottom of the stem. You can kind of fold that little stem up a little bit if you'd like. Put a little glue. And then we're just going to go back and tuck it right back in here to create some cute little grass loops. Again, I'm just going to fold this just to make that piece of grass a little bit shorter. Add a little glue. And we're going to tuck that right in here into our bow. And you can add as many loops as you would like into your bow. And then we're going to take our bow and just wire it right on to our accent piece here. Just wrap it right around there. and pull that nice and tight. Twist that just like a bread tie, and then you can add it right to the top of your hanger. We're just going to twist it right on there. Then you can leave your wire long if you want to attach it to your wreath, and that will help hold that on. Or you can trim that off and use that just by itself. So it's really cute. Added onto this grapevine wreath, you can maneuver these little ornament balls around and perk those up. Or you could attach it right to this boxwood wreath. Quick and easy, and a great accent to any wreath that you have for Easter. So thanks for tuning in. You can find this product and more at shopdeeslouisville.com.